Welcome back once again. Today I'm going to be making this simple egg sandwich. You can also call it an egg McMuffin sandwich. It is very suitable for breakfast for your kids, and also you can put it in their lunch box so that they can have it as their school lunch instead of having hot food. If you are here for the first time, you are very welcome, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to join the family. Don't forget to click the notification bell too so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And to my old subscribers, hello, thank you for coming back once again. So let's start. I have my ramekins here, which I'm going to use for my egg. So I'm going to spray it with a little bit of oil first, and then I'm going to break in my eggs. If you haven't got this kind of ramekins, you can use any other bowl that you can use in steaming your food, especially moi moi. You have the moi moi cups, the stainless steel cups, you can use that. You can also use the foil plate. Yes, there's the round foil plate that you use in making moi moi too. You can also use that in place of this. So I'm keeping it simple today. I've just used a little bit of salt and then pepper. You can add other things if you like. You can chop some bacons and put in it, or you can also chop some sausages. You can add peppers, you can add some peas. It all depends on your child's preference. So next I'm going to put some water to boil, and then in goes my eggs, which is going to steam for about 15 to 20 minutes to get done. I'm using the foil paper as my cover, as my ramekins doesn't have any cover, so I'm just covering it to make sure that the steam doesn't go into the eggs. And once it's cooked, I'm going to allow it to cool a bit and then remove it from the ramekins. I'm running the knife through it first so that I'm sure that it comes out whole. If not, you are going to get some of them sticking on the plate, and you want to have your egg as whole as it is looking now. Everything is out, all looking pretty good at the moment. So next I'm going to prepare my bread for the sandwich, and I'm using bread rolls. If you don't have bread rolls, you can use normal bread. Just use a cutter. If you have a round cutter, you can use it and then make a round shape to get this sandwich roll or this bun roll too. So I'm going to separate them now, and then once I finish with this, I'm going to butter them all up. So I'm spreading my butter or margarine now. I'm not using too much or too little, just enough to cover the top of the roll so that when I toast it, it will come out really nice and crispy. I'm going to toast them now in my pan. It's already hot, so I'm putting them in with placing the buttered part on the pan so that it toasts lightly. So here is it, just a little bit toasted. If you want it to be more burnt or toasted as you want to call it, then you can leave it for longer, but it's okay like this for me. And then I'm going to take it out and then do the remaining ones. And so it's all done now, and then I'm going to start making our egg muffin sandwich. I'm putting the back or the bottom of the roll first on the board before layering. I'm starting the first one with cheese first, and then my egg. I'm putting just tomato ketchup, and that's it. This is for my little one. That's how she likes it. If you add any other thing, you are going to eat it by yourself. So if you know your child, you should know how to introduce these foods to them without putting them off. And so the next one is just cheese, a different type of cheese slice this time, and my egg, and then mayonnaise. You can add any other thing that your child wants, as I said. And for this, that's it. As simple as that. And now for the next ones, I'm adding some bits of vegetables to it. I have my lettuce here, and then I'm going to just layer it up with my egg and other vegetables. So as you can see, you can make the egg muffin to suit your child's preference, and also it's good for the whole family, not just the children, for you, for the daddy, and for the bigger kids. Anyone can enjoy this egg muffin using every other filling that they like to add bulk to it or to make it more rich and satisfying. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the like button below, and also subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. I hope you make this, and see you in my next video. Bye.